In terms of Punatsangchhu-I, as you have rightly pointed out, we have faced a lot of geological challenges. So now unforeseen geological challenges such as, if I just point out major ones, so we had the shear zone at the dam site. I think most of you would recall that was a major challenge we had to overcome. And then there was a catastrophic collapse of the downstream surge gallery crown. That also was a major factor that delayed the project. And then we had the Fellowship flood of 2019, like you may recall, that was also a devastating blow to the project. And then during the most peak construction period of the project, we had the COVID-19 pandemic. So these are some of the major factors contributing to the delay and the cost escalation. So now, which are largely, of course, beyond our control, but nevertheless, we take these lessons very seriously. So this has been a learning journey for us, and now they guide us to go for a more astute, disciplined, and a conservative approach to hydropower development. So, for example, one of the key changes that we have made, or the development undertaken by us, is that we have revised and strengthened our hydropower development guidelines, which is already published in our website. And that will ensure that henceforward the feasibility studies are based on realistic parameters and actual site conditions. So as per this guideline, we have allocated adequate time and cost for the detailed investigations. So from the planning itself, we want to ensure that there is adequate time and cost interventions. And then other than that, we have also ensured that we engage international experts. And then we are already engaging panel of experts to carry out comprehensive due diligence so that we leave no stone unturned. And in addition, as you may recall, we have engaged with a lot of strategic partners. So that what it helps us is it not only brings the equity that we largely need, and we also, you would be aware that we will not be able to bring out our own investment to the scale or the tune that we have envisaged the hydropower development to take place as per the PSMP that you have quoted, PSMP 2040. So with the strategic partner, we not only bring the equity, but we also bring the global experience. And then they also bring advanced technology. And then they bring the state-of-the-art. One thing that we have faced lacking is the state-of-the-art project management and construction management systems. So their involvement, we are already seeing results that brings a very strong technical oversight, operational discipline, and construction efficiency. So now modern project governance, it includes things like milestone-based contracting, digital monitoring, clear risk-sharing frameworks, and strict adherence to timelines, cost, and quality standards. So furthermore, what we are embarking on, increasingly we are going on project-based non-recourse financing. Now what this means is that projects' own cash flows will serve as the primary security and not depend on the government's guarantees. And this will, what you have pointed out, this will protect the national budget, reduce our sovereign risks, and then, of course, promote the financial prudence. Now, because project viability is assessed upfront, and this is the tariff structure is determined, it is also the strategic interest of the project developer themselves to control the cost. And then, with the technical oversight, it also ensures that there is no quality compromise. And so overall, by strengthening the technical oversight through the guidelines and the framework that we have in place, the financial prudence that has been instilled through the practice that I just mentioned, and improving the site assessment itself by having a prudent planning, we aim to deliver future projects that are safer, efficient, and financially sustainable. That will ensure that we not only enhance the efficiency in terms of the hydropower development, but we also ensure that we provide reliable electricity to the citizens, and that whereby we safeguard the long-term energy security and also ensure the fiscal stability. Thank you.